Hello everybody, my name is Raihan Fadila and I'm 24 years old. I born in March 99. Before I live in Bontang in East Borneo and now I move out to Aceh in Sumatra with my family. I'm now looking for a job and I have a class in BOL, Binus Online Learning in accounting, so that I want to learn much more about finance and I'm really excited about it. And so now I'm gonna tell you about what I learned in my first class in English profession class. And I'm gonna cover you what I learned in the listening section of 2 video from 5 audio file attached from the video recording. As the speaking excitement, I'm gonna take track 2 and track 9 for what I'm gonna tell you. In this track 2, we talked about a botany class. It's a class like a biology in theme of environmental. So we learned about a plant. It's called phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy refers to the arrangement of leaf and stem of a plant. On most plants, leaf arrangement is a divine pattern. Sometimes it's unusual for a plant to have a random place leaf on the main region. By having the leaf in orderly way, the leaf exposed to maximum amount of light within a minimum amount of interference of other leaves. The first type of leaf arrangement is like an diagram. It have a node. Each node have a spot of a toothed stem. The opposite arrangement will have 2 leaves opposite of each on the stem. By having this type of leaf, it have a one node looking out of the leaf arrangement. Isn't out common? There will be a home assignment about this. The speaker tell us about that. That's why we have to pay close attention. It also shows a diagram of a tree leaf having a node and the node having a leaf. So when the explanation ends, the speaker tell us that we will have a visit to University Botanical Garden, and we will aware of a different kind of land and searching for information about example of different type of leaf structure. We will write the name of the plant and turn it out the list in Friday. It can be an essay for the most common type of leaf and make it a structure example. The word structure because the leaf arrangement sometimes is so rare, and we gonna put the assignment off until Thursday. So the 2 most main point of this lecture on track 2, I think the speaker gonna have us an assignment to visit a botanical garden so that we know a leaf arrangement pattern and make an essay about it. And we know what plant we have in botanical garden also. And the type of leaf structure. And then in track 9, we talk about various mountain range around the world, like the major range like the Rookie, Himalaya, Alps, and South America, Andes, and the major mountain change in Himalaya, the Rookie, the Alphas, the Andes is discussing in 2 smaller North America change, the Apakian and the Canchades, which do not rank among the world tallest development of 2 range when compared the development of the Himalaya, Rookie, and Alps provide a clear overall picture. So in this evolution mountain of Earth, and the detail is the evolution of the mountain range. You can see it in a world map showing that the mountain range of the world are formed in the last 100 million of years. It forming in 100 million years ago and today comprised of 3,300 mile range. The Andes began forming in 65 million years ago through volcanic activity, and by part of the volcanic activity, it active the ring of fire in circle. The Pacific Ocean is ranged in 1,000 miles longer than the Rockies. The Alpha and Himalaya actually in the same page. It's 7,000 mile mountain system. They began forming in 80 million years ago and crashing action to major tectonic plates. And if you are asking now about the mountain range, the Appalachians, you can see in the map, is running range of North and South Mountain, running the east part of North America. The mountains are actually far older than the majority mountain range of today. The Himalaya, the Andes, the Alps, and the Rockies, all the possibility inns, used to be big and majestic. The Appalachians began forming 400 million years ago, and were complete formed 200 million years ago. Then it's more than 100 million years ago. With the world's great plates of their heart, the Appalachians were a grain and a massive mountain range, perhaps revolving the Himalayas today over a million of years. However, these mountains have been eroded the force of nature and no longer have impressive height. So they use from what they used. So for a roadmap, in this track of 9, we know the discussion about a geographic class and how a mountain from a million years ago being built up to now, but is deformed and no longer have immersive height from they used to because of the force of nature. Thank you.